This 2025 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 391T145 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in North Branch, Michigan, 48461 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, North Detroit. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 45 feet 0 inches in length and 160 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 391T145 is 14,014 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.